Welcome back to Cynthia and Lesley Island Vibe. Today I'm going to make steamed fish and I'm going to make some steamed food. So let's get into the video now. So before I season the fish, this is scallion, ginger, sweet pepper and garlic. Then I have other season here. We have dry pepper, a little cayenne pepper. Then I have this fish season here, grace. So these ingredients I'm going to put on the fish, and then I'll tell you the balance when I begin to show. So these are going to season the fish now. I take my hand and I put a little of the fresh season into the belly and just pop a little here. I use my hand again. This is the first season here that I put. Then I'm gonna go with some dry one, rosemary, and dry pepper. Just sprinkle it over it. This will flavor the fish. So look how beautiful it is. Look at it. Look at it. And also I have my fresh sticky thyme. I just cut from the tree. So I'm just going to mince a little bit into the fish. So guys, look how beautiful it is. Look at it. Look at the fish. Look at the fish. I have to put on the fish. We have bell pepper. We have scallion. I have thyme, because I got the rest of the thyme on top of the fish. I have chocho. And I have okra. So all these ingredients going into the fish. And then I come back here, I have garlic. And I have onion. So now I'm going to turn the Bonnet on and use fire. And then I'm going to add oil into the pot, as you could see. Just a little bit, not much, because we don't want it too greasy. I'm going to add a little piece of butter. And so now I'm going to put my chocho down in it. My okra and the chocho. So everything is simmering into the pot. Then I put my garlic. And the onions. Then I put my scallion. My bell pepper, into the pot. So then I'm going to stir, and then I'm going to let it simmer down there until I'm ready to put the fish in. Next step, I'm going to deal with the water for the provision. So now guys, you see how nice I'm just stirring the chocho and the okra and all the seasoning in the pot so it could simmer. Wanted to steam them before I ever add the fish. And now I'm going to just add a little black pepper. So I'm going to leave it there, let it steam down. Action now for the steamed food. I have cocoa tanya. This one I'm going to put into it cocoa. You call it cocoa. So I put in this into the pot, and then we put in green banana. In green banana, and there's a thing we call it muffin, something like the banana but more fatter than the banana. So these are what we are making for this. So in my country we call this food provision. So that's, you know, we get provision. So this is how we call it. You know, and in my country, in Jamaica, they say cocoa. In St. Vincent, they say Red Sea Tanya. So there are two different ways to prep the provision. I'm going to go to the zinc here. I'm going to bring everything over to the zinc. And I'm going to run the water. I'm going to wipe the banana. I'm going to cut the stem. And I'm going to put the knife to the side of the banana. And then I'm just peeling. Peel the banana. I don't want to put no oil on my hand to peel it. So this is how you peel it. So for this muff over here, I bust it in two, as you can see. And so I go in now with the green banana. You cut the end off, you cut the tail, and you mark it with the knife. And I just peel. Next one is the cocoa. So I have to just peel it. And it becomes purple. So this is it. Wash the provision. So here I'm going to put it into the pot. So I put in down the muff of it first. Cocoa. Cocoa. The cocoa. Green banana. Everything have rest in the pot. I already put my salt. I put a little more salt. Going to cover it back and let it steam. So that's it right there. I'm back now to the fish. I added a little tomato in it. So look at it. Look at how it is. So now I'm going to add the fish down. These are red snapper. The thyme, then I add a little bit more seasoning here, so a little more, then I'm adding no salt. So then I have boiling water. I'm going to add a little water, let it steam down a little more. Not on the fish. And this is it right here. And then I'm going to cover down back on the fire. So now, guys, this is the steamed fish. So now I'm going to add a little piece of Scotch bonnet pepper. Very hot, very spicy. I can't add too much, because it would very burn them to the. So I put a piece of hot Scotch bonnet pepper. And I also have the pimento into it. So look at the fish. Look at it steaming down very nicely. Look at it. So when I finish everything, I'll get back to you guys to show you how this steamed fish come out in the provision. Okay guys, this is the steamed fish. I'm going to turn it off now. So you could see the steamed fish there in the pot. Have everything in it. It have ginger, onion, pimento, sweet pepper. Everything is in the same chocho. All the ingredients in the fish. So now we're going to turn off the bad boy here now. And we are waiting for 15 minutes for the provision to finish cook. So I'm just going to show you how close it is. So you see the banana getting soft, but the cocoa need to cook down a little more. And like 15 minutes, it's supposed to be ready. So here, I finish up with this provision and the steamed fish with snapper. So I present this to you all guys this morning, from my kitchen to your kitchen, to everyone who is watching the channel. Those who just came and watching for the first time, if it's good to you, please subscribe to the channel and give a thumbs up. And thank you all so much for watching Cynthia and Lesley Kitchen. And please let me know what you think about this video. Leave it in the comment below.